In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload a custom logo in Salesforce. Customizing your Salesforce environment with your brand's logo can really help you establish a consistent brand identity across your organization, making it more personalized and visually appealing for your team. Let's dive into the process and see how you can easily achieve this. First, you'll want to head over to your Salesforce dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a gear icon. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Setup. This is your gateway to all kinds of customization options in Salesforce, and it's where we'll start our journey today. Now that you're in the Setup page, you'll notice a quick find box on the left-hand side. This is a handy tool that lets you quickly search for specific settings without having to sift through endless options. In this box, type in Themes. As you type, you'll see the search results narrow down. You want to select Themes and Branding from this list. This section is where you can manage all the visual aspects of your Salesforce interface, including the theme and branding elements like your logo. Once you're in Themes and Branding, you have a couple of options depending on whether you're creating a new theme or editing an existing one. If you're starting fresh and want to create a new theme, you'll click on New Theme. Alternatively, if you already have a custom theme and you just want to update it with your new logo, look for the drop-down arrow next to your current custom theme. Click on that arrow and choose Edit from the options that appear. Either way, you'll end up in the Theme Customization interface. Now, let's focus on the Images section. Here, you'll find various options for uploading images that make up your theme's visual elements. What we're interested in is the brand image. This is where your logo will go, so go ahead and click on Upload next to Brand Image. This action will prompt you to select an image file from your computer. When choosing your logo file, keep in mind that Salesforce has a file size limit for logos. Make sure your logo is under 500 kilobytes to ensure it uploads successfully. Select your logo file from your computer, and once you're satisfied with your selection, click Save. This will upload your logo and update the theme with your new branding. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded a custom logo in Salesforce. Your new logo should now be visible across your Salesforce environment, adding a touch of personalization and professionalism. Remember, you can always return to the Themes and Branding section if you need to make adjustments or upload a new logo in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process of uploading a custom logo in Salesforce clear and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.